In this video, we will walk through, step by step, how to create a course on Garmin Connect Web to later send and follow it on your Garmin Edge computer. Access your Garmin Connect account. Go to Training and Planning and select Courses. You will see the course management screen. If you already have any courses loaded in your account, you will be able to see a list of them on the left side, where you can select them to view. At the top, there is an option called Create New that you should select. Now, you need to select the type of course you are going to create. For the purposes of this video, we will select mountain biking. And now we have the course creation screen. In the top left corner, there is a data field that allows you to search for the location where you want to create the course if you already know it. The map will focus on the area where the location you entered is. Another option is to manually move the map with your PC's mouse to the location where you want to create the course. Now, add the name of the course. Since we are going to create the course manually, using the drawing method, we leave the option as custom, which is the default. And in the course type, it already says mountain biking, which is what we selected at the beginning. On the right side, we have the map configuration or background images we will use to create the course, as well as data generated by Garmin, such as the popularity map, allowing bike lanes and trails to be shown, as well as the detected climbs on the course, and finally, if you want the course points to be shown. There are 3 background map options. Google Maps. Here Maps. OpenStreetMap. The first 2 allow you to create both public and private courses, while with the OpenStreetMaps option, it only allows public courses since it is using data from this open source. An advantage of using OpenStreetMaps is that they are used in the Edge Series 40 models, so the map content in Garmin Connect will be the same as what you see on your computer. The disadvantage is that it does not offer satellite images that allow you to locate roads and trails that are not available on the map. For this video, we will use Google Maps, which is the default option, as it allows us to use satellite images. Finally, on the left side, you will see the course generation options, which are 3. Follow popular courses will make the course trace following courses that are popular for the type of course you are creating, mountain biking in this case. Follow roads will make the trace on the roads contained in the map. These 2 processes are automatic, as we will see later, and also, they only allow the trace of the course on the roads that are part of the background map. With the third option, Freehand, you can create courses anywhere on the map, even if there are no roads in a section of the base map. It is the best way to create courses in places where the background maps do not contain road information. You will probably end up using a combination of these tools. With these settings, we can now start drawing the course. We are going to create a course that starts from the area where the cursor is, which is a parking lot. We will ride on a road that is not drawn on the background map, so we will have to use the hand tool in that section. Then we will turn south at the intersection of roads we are pointing at. In this part of the map, we see that the roads are drawn, so we will be able to change the trace to the follow road option. When we get to the next intersection, we turn east toward the starting point. We continue on the road marked on the map until we reach the indicated area, where we will again have to use the hand drawing option to return to the starting point. Select the freehand drawing option. And head to the area where the course starts. Click on the map to start drawing the course. A green icon appears representing the start. Continue clicking along the path you want to follow. The last point you create will always be with a red icon indicating that, up to that point, it represents the end of the course. Continue marking points all along the path you want to follow. You can move the map with the keyboard arrows and the hand icon that appears over the map. Zoom in and out using your computer's mouse wheel. When you reach the intersection where the road is already marked on the background map, switch to the Follow Roads tool, which will automatically trace the courses. Select the next point on the road from the background map. Every time you click, the trace is automatically generated on the road. When you reach the end of the road, switch back to the freehand tool to create the section that will take us back to the starting point. With that, we finished drawing the course. Now let us add some course points to help us navigate it. These points will appear on the GPS when following the course, making it much easier to navigate it safely. At the top of the map, there is an option called Add Course Point. By selecting it, the course points disappear, allowing you to insert a point in some of its parts. By clicking on the course, we create the first one. A flag icon appears, and on the left side of the screen, the point configuration options appear, which are the name, which we call Start, and we can assign what type of point it is from the drop-down list. There are several types of points you can select that best reflect what the point represents to you. Click Save Point to add it to the course. Following these steps, we added several points to help us navigate the course. Intersection. Right. Left. Straight. Another one that we also called left. At the end of the marked road, we added another one called trail. And finally, one called end. After adding the points, we can see more details of the course, such as its altitude profile. And if we press the Climbs button, we can see the ones that will be shown in Climb Pro. Now, press Save, confirm the course name, and assign it as public to share it with cyclists who may be interested in riding it. The complete course is shown on the screen, including the icons of the course points and those of the climbs that will be shown in Climb Pro. Below the data, you will see some options. The three dots open a menu so you can delete the course, duplicate it, add it to any event you have on your calendar, edit it, download it to your PC either in GPX or FIT format to share it. Also, there is an option to send to device, which can be done from the computer through Garmin Express by connecting your GPS with the cable. But it is easier to do it through the Garmin Connect app, as it syncs automatically with the web version. Follow these steps. Open the Garmin Connect app and go to Planning and Training. Courses. You will see in the list of courses the one you just created, in this case BiciMapas course. Select it, and you will see it on the screen. Turn on the GPS you are going to send it to and select the Send to Device icon. Select your device, and you will see the confirmation screen that it has been sent. On your device, select Navigation. Courses. And you will see BiciMapas course. When you select it, you will see its information. Press Ride to activate it to start your ride. You will be able to see the screen with the course points we created, as well as its trace on the map. In future videos, we will see in detail how to follow courses with your Garmin Edge device. Subscribe to the channel to receive notifications of the next videos that will help you better use your Garmin Edge GPS. Thank you for visiting us.